We're here in Apopka, Florida at the new Florida Hospital replacement campus, this brand new hospital. It was a joint partnership between Coastal Mechanical and Ferguson Enterprises to present Aquatherm to the owner as an alternative, a superior product to the traditional products that you would put in a piping system in a hospital. There's about 35 miles of Aquatherm pipe on this project, ranging from 1/2 inch up to 24 inch. Everything from domestic hot and cold water to the heating hot water, chilled water, condenser water, and some compressed air as well. The total build out is about 200 rooms on 8 floors.
This was a large fabrication project for Aquatherm. Aquatherm has a state-of-the-art fabrication shop there in Linden, Utah. And what we do is provide the service for when you can't do stuff in the field. We provide that ability. We have the tools, the manpower, as well as the equipment to move and handle it.
It also gives a great labor saving to the contractor on both tools and actually putting the material together.
Our in-house engineering department worked with Aquatherm. They went through and drew the piping systems off of the contract drawings. Once that was done, there was some back and forth checks and balances on what we're prefabbing. Once we signed off on everything, sent it over to Utah, they prefabbed it and then delivered it, and we're starting to install it.
They're the largest pieces that we could get on a truck. 53 feet, 56 feet was the biggest piece that we had.
Aquatherm spent 2 months running 2 shifts with about 20 guys, fusing this stuff, working about 6 days a week. There are thousands of fusion welds in this prefabrication. So one, Coastal doesn't have the tools to do that, but assuming that they did have the tools to prefab this, they would have needed a dozen guys well-trained, working 6 or 7 days a week to get all of these pieces put together.
Time saving, I think that we save about 60% by using Aquatherm versus steel pipe.
Conventionally in the CEP, we would have probably been 3, 4, 5 weeks to install what we've done so far, and we did it about half the time with about half the manpower.
I was very surprised with how fast and easy it went in, and I was really surprised with how quick our guys caught on to it.
It's lighter than the traditional steel. We have 24-inch pipe here. So the weight of Aquatherm versus steel is a lot different. So the ability to do Aquatherm, prefab it in bigger pieces, and install it in larger chunks safely is the big advantage.
Aquatherm's fabrication offering is there for multiple purposes. Diverting that large diameter fabrication from on site to our shop is definitely a time as well as a cost-saving opportunity for everyone involved. Our ability to fabricate in our building what we can do, the complicated pieces that we can build, I think gives the contractor a lot of options to look at to find ways to improve their job and be more efficient.